Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at a collaboration down with Dover Street Market and New Balance on the 991. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we are going to be talking about a collaboration done with Dover Street Market with New Balance on the 991 silhouette, which is one of my favorite silhouettes from the New Balance generations, I guess you could say, or many silhouettes that they have with different numbers. This is by far one of the most comfortable silhouettes I've ever worn. I've definitely done a couple of these on the channel, so be sure to go back and check those videos out if you have not already. Very excited to talk about this. I've been waiting to do this video, but I've been so behind. So happy that I've finally gotten to this week of New Balance. I know that there are a lot of you that love New Balance out there and not a lot of sneaker YouTubers that tap into the amazingness of the company itself when it comes to their production of high quality sneakers. So I'm definitely excited to go through the overview of these, talk about size and fit, jump into how I style this really just clean, dark colorway in gray. As you all know, New Balance is known for grays, but they are able to just really selectively choose some of the best gray hues that they actually use on each of their silhouettes. Let's jump right into it. So one of the things I actually pulled out was this lovely pamphlet. I love that they actually gave this because it's so informative actually. For those of you who are unfamiliar with New Balance, one of the main reasons that I actually got into New Balance was the fact that I blew out my knee in college. So I had reconstructive surgery, ACL surgery on my knee. So one of the things that my PT said was you need to get comfortable sneakers. And one of the recommendations was New Balance. And that was kind of where I started my real love and passion for actually having these in my sneaker collection. So one of the things that this specific sneaker has on it, so as you can see on this chart, is the Absorb, which is in the heel and forefoot. And that is basically something that has a heel crash pad and it absorbs impact through a combination of cushioning and compression substance. So for me, obviously, because I had knee surgery and bad knees in the past, this is something that I've always needed assistance with, which is cushioning on impact when I'm walking, when I'm running, you name it. So love that these have the Absorb in it. Next up is the End Cap in the midsole and heel. End Cap midsole cushioning combines a lightweight foam with durable polyurethane rim to deliver all-day support. So definitely one of the reasons that New Balance are so unbelievably comfortable. Then we've got the C-Cap forefoot. So C-Cap midsole cushioning delivers durable support. Always need that durable support, specifically in the midsole as well. And then the materials that are used throughout this, we're gonna jump into that, but pigskin mesh upper are where we're gonna start out with. And that basically provides natural, easy support on these. So you'll notice here that we do have this nice charcoal kind of metallic-y silver meshing for the front of the toe box here, and just super high quality suede. I'm just gonna move my fingers around so you can kind of see how the color changes here, but really nice high quality suede on the front there. We do have this kind of neutral tan or beige color scheme on top of that silvery dark charcoal mesh. Working our way up, we have these really cool kind of metallic-y laces in that charcoal colorway. And then we have a meshing that matches that toe box in a metallic kind of dark charcoal gray silver. As we work our way up, we have New Balance 991 embroidered in this nice kind of silvery white color scheme. All right, so now let's talk about the additional laces that were included. So if you're not feeling these laces, we also have it in just a simplistic, nice dark charcoal gray or a white colorway. So always love that they do give us some combination laces. So if you're not feeling the one that they've already laced it up with, you can always swap it out. All right, now let's take a look at those details and then we'll work our way to the side paneling. Then on the side panel, we have this metallic-y silver going on for the meshing, and then overlays of that nice material for the suede and dark charcoal. The end is in that metallic silver, which has a nice outline in white, which really makes it pop. Working our way onto the back, we have more of this tan beige colorway, but we do have Dover Street Market's logo on the back here, embroidered in white. And it does have that embroidery on top of this kind of sparkly metallic-y silver. It looks like it's got some 3M reflection on there because it's hitting the light quite nicely. More of that nice suede texture. Working our way to the other side, we have the same N with that nice pop of metallic silver colorway, again outlined in white. And then the insoles have 40th anniversary New Balance. Again, for those of you who don't know, Dover Street Market partnered with New Balance to really celebrate actually the Flimby factory, which has been open for 40 years. Pretty crazy. So really nice that they're celebrating that anniversary. We do have Dover Street Market on the other insole, and that is in that gray colorway in black and white. The sneaker is then completed with a midsole in this nice beige colorway in white, and then the outsole is in a simplistic black and light gray colorway. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so now let's talk about the box. We have this made in England, 40th anniversary, 1982 to 2022. Really cool that they've put those dates on there, celebrating the 40th anniversary of Flimby. So one of the cool things is that this, again, is a made in UK sneaker. For those of you who don't know, my favorite New Balance sneakers are obviously the ones that are either made in UK or made in the US. I feel like they have just the highest quality materials that are used on their silhouette. So definitely excited to have just another made in UK silhouette added to my sneaker collection, because these are going to get some wear and tear. I can't wait to just destroy these. As you all know, I love to destroy my New Balances. I wear them out completely. All right, so jumping into size and fit, I am a 7.5 in men's, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. I do have high arch, narrow feet, so I would recommend just sticking true to size on the 991. If you do have flatter, wider feet, this could differentiate a size that may work best for you. All right, now let's jump into styling. Again, New Balance just has some classic color schemes. I love the fact that they went with kind of a darker charcoal gray for this look, specifically using these nice kind of taupe beige tones that really, I feel like, complement the hues throughout this sneaker. So for the first look, I wanted to really just kind of play off of the cream colors that I saw in here on the bottom of that midsole. So I decided to wear a velour cream crew neck with some matching cream pants for more of an athletic, kind of comfy, cozy look. for the second look, I really wanted to play with kind of the taupe beige tones and the tongue on this specific color scheme. And so I decided to wear a button down in this kind of beige taupe colorway with some matching denim pants that kind of replicated that same color of the top, as well as some of the hues that I saw in the sneaker.
And then for the last and final look, I decided to keep it pretty simple with some nice mom denim style shorts and just a nice simple denim colorway. Denim obviously is going to go with these so nicely. And I paired it with just a simple light white ribbed tank top.
So you let me know down below, what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these? Now let's conclude with how great these are doing in the resale market. So for those of you who have not been keeping tabs with New Balance, I would have to say that New Balance is literally killing it in the resale market. I will say they're so hard to get these days because they're so extremely limited. So I'm so blessed to have actually been able to cop a pair of these. So I'm very thankful to just have these because it is becoming harder and harder to be able to just obtain a New Balance shoe. So first off, these retail at $270 and they are currently going between $375 to $600, which really I feel like exemplifies how limited these sneakers are and how sought after they are. All right, everyone, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you tuned in for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. If you have not already, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.